Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So roughly 2 weeks after the release of Firefox version 135, which is the latest stable version, Mozilla has rolled out the first point release for 135, which they made available just a short while ago today on the 18th of February. Now to check we have the update, as always, we head to our main menu, click on Help, click on About Firefox, and latest version in bold is 135.0.1 after this update has been applied. Now we get 4 bug fixes and we get a security fix. And just to mention the security fix first, there's just one high impact vulnerability that's been patched, which is your second highest after a critical. And it's listed as memory safety bugs fixed in Firefox 135.0.1, with Mozilla saying that some of these bugs showed evidence of memory corruption, and they say they presume that with enough effort some of these could have been exploited to run arbitrary code. So just check your browsers up to date sooner than later, because it is your first line defense, and that is a high severity vulnerability and high impact vulnerability we are dealing with. Then focusing on the fixes. Now the first fix is they fixed drop-down menus being unusable on some sites, relying on certain mouse move event behavior. And then the second fix is they fixed scrolling to the wrong location with anchor tags in some situations. And then the third fix is they fixed being unable to restore closed windows and tabs via the history menu when upgrading from an older version of Firefox. And I think that's quite an important fix. And then the fourth and final fix for this latest point release update is Mozilla says they fixed an issue that displayed an overlay large icon for custom search engines that were added to Firefox by the user. So there we go, a couple of minor bugs, high severity and high impact security fix. And that's our first point release for Firefox version 135. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.